The steps in writing an equation are shown below. For example, hydrogen reacts with oxygen, the product is water. In balancing equations, stoichiometric coefficients must be placed in front of formulae where necessary. The formulae themselves must not be changed. Thus, for the above reaction, it would be incorrect to write. This a good way to balance an equation, is to use a table to keep track of everything. You can list the number of each atom, on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation, then compare to see if they are the same. Remember, you can only change the stoichiometric coefficients in front of compounds, which says how many molecules you have. You can't break up bonds to make it balance. Try filling in this table now. Pause the video whilst you add up the atoms. Are you ready? How to balance chemical equations in easy steps. Step 1. Count the atoms on each side of the equation. Let's count each type of atom. On reactant side, hydrogen I have 2, oxygen, also I have 2. On the product side, hydrogen I have 2 and oxygen I have 1. Note that if there's nothing after an element we assume that to be 1. We can see that we have 2 hydrogens on each side of the equation, so the hydrogen is fine. But the oxygen atoms we have 2 on the left-hand side, the reactants, and only 1 on the right-hand side. To fix that I can change the coefficient in front of the oxygen on the right-hand side, and make that 2, so if I put in a here, that means 2 times the 1 oxygen, that'll give me 2 oxygens, and now my oxygen on both sides are 2. But this 2 here is also times the 2 hydrogens, and that gives me 4 hydrogens. So I fix the oxygen, but the hydrogens aren't balanced. I can change the coefficient here though to 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, now I have 4 hydrogens on each side, and I have 2 oxygens on each side of the equation. This equation is balanced.